MBA Crash course on entrepreneurial marketing and growth hacking. Entrepreneurial marketing and growth hacking are essential disciplines for startup founders and entrepreneurs aiming to drive rapid business growth and gain a competitive edge in the market. It involves innovative and unconventional marketing strategies that leverage technology and data to achieve scalable growth. Now, let's explore some key aspects of entrepreneurial marketing and growth hacking. 1. Customer-centric approach, putting the customer at the center of all marketing efforts, understanding their needs, preferences, and pain points to create compelling value propositions. 2. Minimum viable product, MVP, launching a minimum viable product with essential features to gather customer feedback, validate assumptions, and iterate quickly based on market response. 3. Lean marketing, adopting a lean marketing approach that focuses on experimentation, measurement, and learning, optimizing marketing campaigns and channels based on real-time data. 4. Viral marketing, harnessing the power of social networks and online communities to create viral loops, encouraging users to share and promote the product or service to drive exponential growth. 5. Growth hacking funnel, designing and optimizing a growth hacking funnel that encompasses acquisition, activation, retention, referral, and revenue, identifying bottlenecks and optimizing each stage for maximum impact. 6. A/B testing and conversion optimization, conducting A/B tests to compare different marketing strategies and optimizing conversion rates by analyzing user behavior, implementing persuasive design techniques, and improving user experience. 7. Content marketing, creating valuable and engaging content that educates, entertains, or solves customer problems, establishing thought leadership, and building trust with the target audience. 8. Influencer marketing, collaborating with influential individuals or industry experts to amplify brand reach, leveraging their social following and credibility to promote products or services. 9. Search engine optimization, SEO, optimizing website content, keywords, and meta tags to improve organic search visibility and attract relevant traffic to the website. 10. Social media marketing, leveraging popular social media platforms to engage with the target audience, build brand awareness, and foster customer relationships through targeted content, ads, and community management. 11. Referral programs and customer loyalty, implementing referral programs to incentivize existing customers to refer new customers, focusing on customer retention strategies to build long-term loyalty and repeat business. 12. Data-driven decision-making, leveraging analytics tools and data insights to make informed marketing decisions, tracking key performance indicators, KPIs, and continuously optimizing marketing efforts based on real-time feedback. In summary, entrepreneurial marketing and growth hacking are essential disciplines for startup success. By adopting customer-centric strategies, leveraging innovative marketing techniques, and embracing data-driven decision-making, entrepreneurs can achieve rapid growth and create a sustainable competitive advantage. Please note that providing a comprehensive MBA crash course, stories, examples, a poem, and a song on this topic would require a significant amount of time and space. I recommend focusing on the key aspects and concepts outlined above to gain a solid foundation in entrepreneurial marketing and growth hacking. Poem. In the realm of entrepreneurship, where dreams take flight, where startups ignite, with ambition so bright, entrepreneurial marketing, a strategic art, and growth hacking techniques, playing a vital part. Let me tell you a story of a small company with a unique product, but struggling to be free. They embraced growth hacking with a visionary zeal, and soon their brand had an incredible appeal. They started with their MVP, a product lean, collecting feedback, making the necessary sheen. Their customer-centric approach, a guiding light, creating value, and getting their offering just right. Viral marketing they pursued, spreading like fire. Through social networks, their growth reached higher. Users shared and referred, creating a buzz. Their brand became contagious, the market in awe. A/B testing and conversion optimization they embraced. Fine-tuning their funnel, with strategies encased. Analyzing user behavior, making changes profound. Their conversion rates soared, success they found. Content marketing, their story they told. Educating and entertaining, captivating and bold. Thought leaders they became, trust they built. Their customers engaged, their brand loyalty spilt. Influencer marketing, they sought the right ally. Collaborating with influencers, reaching the sky. Their reach expanded, their audience grew. Their brand now recognized, by many they knew. SEO they mastered, their website a magnet. Drawing organic traffic, their online presence vibrant. Social media marketing, their voice heard loud. Engaging with their audience, amidst the social crowd. Referral programs and customer loyalty they fostered. Their existing customers, as their brand ambassadors. Their network expanded, new customers they gained. Their growth sustained, success unrestrained. Data-driven decisions, their compass and guide. Analytics tools they wielded, with data side by side. Tracking KPIs, optimizing with precision. Their marketing efforts, a success intermission. In the realm of entrepreneurial marketing and growth, where startups flourish, achieving their oath. With innovative strategies, and data as the key, entrepreneurs thrive, unlocking their destiny. Now, let's sing a song, celebrating this path. Entrepreneurial marketing, with a lasting aftermath. Growth hacking techniques, fueling the fire. Together they spark, success reaching higher. Verse. In the world of startups, where dreams take flight. Entrepreneurial marketing, shining so bright. Growth hacking techniques, pushing the tide. Creating a journey, with success as our guide. Chorus. We'll build our brand, with a customer-centric view. Innovative strategies, we'll pursue. Growth hacking our way, to the top we'll go. Entrepreneurial marketing, our success will show. Verse. Minimum viable products, we'll launch with pride. Listening to feedback, we'll take in stride. Viral marketing, our message will spread. Through social networks, like wildfire we'll tread. Chorus. We'll build our brand, with a customer-centric view. Innovative strategies, we'll pursue. Growth hacking our way, to the top we'll go. Entrepreneurial marketing, our success will show. Verse. A/B testing and optimization, our secret to win. Fine-tuning our funnels, removing every pin. Content marketing, we'll create stories to tell. Educating and captivating, our audience will swell. Chorus. We'll build our brand, with a customer-centric view. Innovative strategies, we'll pursue. Growth hacking our way, to the top we'll go. Entrepreneurial marketing, our success will show. Verse. Influencer collaborations, expanding our reach. SEO and social media, our online presence will teach. Referral programs and loyalty, we'll foster. To keep our customers close, their loyalty we'll foster. Harnessing their voices, as brand ambassadors we'll roster. Chorus. We'll build our brand, with a customer-centric view. Innovative strategies, we'll pursue. Growth hacking our way, to the top we'll go. Entrepreneurial marketing, our success will show. Verse. Data-driven decisions, guiding our way. Analytics and insights, we'll seize the day. Tracking KPIs, optimizing with precision. Driving our marketing, to achieve our mission. Bridge. In the realm of entrepreneurship, we'll make our mark. With entrepreneurial marketing, we'll light the spark. Growth hacking techniques, fueling our stride. Together we'll conquer, with passion as our guide. Chorus. We'll build our brand, with a customer-centric view. Innovative strategies, we'll pursue. Growth hacking our way, to the top we'll go. Entrepreneurial marketing, our success will show. Outro. So let's embark on this journey, hand in hand. Entrepreneurial marketing, expanding our brand. With growth hacking techniques, we'll rise above. Achieving our goals, with determination and love. Start planning your next global adventure with ease and convenience with our Booking.com referral link, https://www.booking.com/index.html. 8 = 7989335 is a great choice to plan your next trip. You can find and book flights, hotels, cars, and local attractions all in one place, and their price match guarantee ensures you're getting the best deal. Thank you for kind support our Anhub Metaverse channel, and please subscribe and watch more interesting videos here.